Welcome. Today in front of me HardReset, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go into the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner and go into the settings. Here tap to the voice section and go into the voice match. And here, as can you see, we got the Hey Google switcher. Just tap once on the switcher to activate the Google Assistant. Tap here next. Tap yes, I agree. Click continue. And just note now. And as can you see, we just activated the Hey Google options on Honor 8X. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.